Thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring. More on them later. Join me for some exquisite living at home as we make the everyday special in today's video. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. Let's begin our day by making one of my favorite breakfasts, Huevos Rancheros. I will often eat this for lunch and dinner too because it is savory and so delicious. I begin by cooking some raw tortillas in oil over medium heat until they are browned and slightly crispy. I like to add a bit of salt to them too. Then I top them with cooked black beans, an egg over medium, some freshly made salsa, shredded Monterey Jack cheese, and homemade guacamole. If you've never tried Huevos Rancheros, I urge you to try them out. This is one of my and my daughter's favorite breakfasts, and on this particular day, we are enjoying these for brunch. Now that things have calmed down in our house a bit, I'm doing projects I've had on my to-do list for a while with regard to decorating. I've had these beautiful cloth wall hangings for decades, yes, decades, and I finally want to get them framed for our walls. I bought these in Panama when I was there as a teenager. I kept them with me all these years, wondering how I should display them. Cloth wall hangings are curious. A bit like a tapestry, there are many ways you can hang them, but I think these would look beautiful in a frame. My mother's from Panama, and so these molas are special to me because they speak to my own rich heritage there. Mola translates to shirt in the Guna language. For centuries, the Guna, previously known as Kuna, an indigenous group of people who live in Panama, have been creating these beautiful works of art. They are known from their bright colors and intricate designs. They are not created from patterns, but in the mind of the artist, and each one is unique. The textile art began in the San Blas Islands, an archipelago off the northern coast of Panama that's part of the Ghana-Yala region, where many Guna people continue to live. I love my turtle, crab, and bird molas, and I can't wait to finally frame them. Before we get to the next tips, I'm going to take a minute to tell you about Birch Living, who have kindly sponsored this video. Birch is a premium mattress-in-a-box company that makes mattresses and sleep products that are stylish, comfortable, and environmentally conscious. Birch's natural mattress was just awarded the best mattress of 2023 by US News out of 340 mattresses and hundreds of hours of in-person expert testing. I believe it too. We've had our Birch mattress for over 2 years. It is so comfortable, and it gets more comfortable with each use, not to mention all the other benefits that come from how they're made. Their non-toxic mattresses are made right here in America and are crafted with organic and natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. It was important for me to choose a Birch mattress that was made with organic and natural materials because unlike synthetic mattresses, the wool in these mattresses makes it hypoallergenic as they are both allergen and mildew resistant. In addition to being a better mattress for us, Birch is committed to being better for the planet. I love that throughout the creation of their mattresses, Birch ensures that their materials are produced and harvested sustainably. With your Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial, along with a 25-year warranty. The best part about all of this is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your door for free within the United States. They also offer in-home setup and removal to make your buying experience as convenient as possible, although the mattress is very easy to set up because I did this all by myself. I love my Birch mattress and I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Birch Living. Visit birchliving.com/daily to get 20% off a Birch mattress plus 2 free Eco Rest pillows. For your little ones, check out the Birch Kids Natural Mattress, which is a 2023 Good Housekeeping Parenting Award winner. I like to chronicle my various journaling practices here for you on the Daily Connoisseur. Journaling is a tremendous part of my life at home. Recording my thoughts and ideas onto the page is essential to my happiness and well-being. The journal I'm writing in here is my creative work journal. One question I often get asked is, how do you come up with your video ideas? Don't you ever run out of things to talk about? The answer is no, because I keep this ongoing creative journal. Whenever I have a creative idea, I write it down in this journal. If I ever go through a down period with creativity, I will open this journal up and I'll have an abundance of ideas to draw from when coming up with content creation. If you have a creative job or do any other creative endeavors, I recommend that you do the same. And now to take part in a complete autumnal experience, making homemade pumpkin bread. Today I'm making 2 loaves, one for tea time and one for the freezer. Place all-purpose flour into a bowl and mix in pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. Then I set that aside. In a kitchen stand mixer, I place the pumpkin puree, eggs, oil, water, and sugar, and then I mix until blended. Then I mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. I then bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. I'm serving this with a pat of butter and a cup of black bergamot tea. I froze the other loaf, as you know, and that came out at a perfect time when my aunt and cousin came to visit. I was able to pull it out of the freezer and heat briefly in the oven to thaw. They loved it and said it was delicious. I hope you'll try this simple recipe. I'm going to close with some after-dinner piano playing, another wonderful escape in my day where I can focus on beauty, creation, and the exquisite feeling that music, particularly Beethoven, can give one. I can't emphasize how important it is for you to create exquisite pockets of time for yourself each day. Let beauty seep into your moments with love and hope. Thank you for watching today, friends. And thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring. Visit birchliving.com/daily to get 20% off a Birch mattress plus 2 free Eco Rest pillows. For your little ones, check out the Birch Kids Natural Mattress, which is a 2023 Good Housekeeping Parenting Awards winner. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you next time. Love, Jennifer.